Hello everybody, welcome to one more class with me. Hey, what we're going to be working with is going to be with the verb to be. Imagine how many uses you would have for only one verb. That's what we're going to be discussing in the class of today that has to do with the verb to be. So let's get started. So one of the uses that we may find for the verb to be is location, with the name. Another one has to do with the age. You want to know about profession or the occupation of a person, you may also use the verb to be. You may also use the verb to be to talk about marital status, right? Also, you may use it to talk about nationality and so many stuff. Let's pay attention to each one of the contexts that we will see in here, and let's get started. First, we use the verb to be to talk about name. So remember that we have three different ways to talk about the verb to be, and it includes is, are, and We're going to be using for people if I want to refer. If I want to go ahead and refer to me, so I'll say I am. Right? The contracted way can use something something. So I may say, for example, I'm Eric, I'm Robert, I'm Kevin, I'm Marisa, I'm Mary, I'm Alicia. If I want to talk about the first person, I'll say something like, I'm Eric, I'm Kevin, I'm Robert. For example, if I want to talk about a third person, I'll say something about this. So I'll say, he's Kevin, he's Eric, he's Robert. For example, if I want to talk about a she, I'll say something like this. I'll say, she's Christine, she's Jesse, she's Mary. We are Eric and Kevin. We are Robert and me. We are David and Alicia. All right. So that's talking about a we. Second thing, let's go on the age. If you want to introduce yourself with somebody else and you don't know how to do it, well, you can use the verb to be. Remember that you use the verb to be to talk about what you are. Right? In this case, we're going to be talking about the age. So you may come up by saying something like this. I'm 27 years old. I'm 24 years old. I'm 23 years old. She's 21 years old. He's 22 years old. We are 25 and 26 years old. Alrighty. Also, you may use the verb to be to talk about nationality. So we may talk about nationality if you want to say like I'm Mexican, right? You're Mexican, she's Mexican. Let's say you have a friend that's coming from America, you may say, well, he's American, she's American. If you have a friend that's coming from Colombia, you may say, okay, she's Colombian, he's Colombian. If you want to mention that there is a group of people that's coming from somewhere else, you may say they are from China, all right? So they are Chinese. They are from Japan, so they are Japanese, all right? So that's it. Then let's go on something else. We may also use the verb to be to talk about profession or occupation, all right? So you may come up by saying something like this. A teacher, a professor, an architect, an engineer. Now let's go on the configuration. So you may say, I'm a teacher, she's a teacher, he's a teacher, they are teachers. Also, you may say, I'm an engineer, he's an engineer, she's an engineer, right? Also, you may come up by saying, I'm an architect, she's an architect, he is an architect, I'm an architect, she's an architect, we are architects, right? That's it. Then let's go on another one. Remember that we can also use the verb to be to talk about marital status. Imagining that you are in the situation where you feel so comfortable that you would like to talk about your marital status. You may say also your marital status, right? You may say, I'm single, I'm in a relationship, I'm married, right? I'm single. Are you single? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not, right? You may also say, my sister is single, right? My friend is single. Once again, on the configuration for this one, you may say, I'm single, he's single, she's single, right? Or we are single, right? So I'm single, she's single, he's single, we are single. Let's go on another one. Then remember that we can also use the verb to be to talk about location, right? If you want to share your location with somebody, so you say I'm at, right? I'm at, and then the place where you're at. In this one, we're going to start using a preposition that's going to help us. This preposition is going to be the preposition at. I'm at work. I'm at home, right? Which is most commonly known by saying I'm home. Then you may also say I'm at work. You may say I'm at the movies. I'm at the movies. You may go, okay, she's at home or she's home. You may also say she's at work, right? She's at the movies. You may also say he's at home or he's home. He's at work. Or also you may say we are at home. We are at home. Wow, that's it. So keep on practicing. Practice, practice. And if there is any of the topics that you would like me to talk about on my next videos, just let me know on the comments on the section below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being in here with me. And it was a pleasure for me to be here once again with you guys. So see you next time. Bye.